Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are back at Fontainebleau. I have one night here. This is a gold strip view king room at Fontainebleau, which claims to have the best view. We'll have a look at that in a moment. I'm here for one night. This is a comped night here. So let's have a little look around. So first impressions, I've literally just got here, is that the room is really nice. It's really clean and modern as you'd expect. The hotel's only a couple of years old. So as you come in, there's a nice big tiled lobby area. And then that leads into the main area. On the right hand side, you've got your adjoining door. On the left is your bathroom. And there's a bit of artwork on the wall. Really nice lighting throughout the room with the spotlights. As you come in, there's a huge mirror here with some hanging pegs, which I've taken advantage of. My junk's down there. Then you come into a carpeted area, which is the main living area. And to be honest with you, just for just a king room, it's absolutely huge. So you have like a desk area here, like a little side cabinet, and some artwork on the wall. There is all kind of connectivity on the desk over there. And you've got a nice light, like a little change tray, and a couple of nice seats either side. Then the bed is huge. If it's anything like the one in the room I was in last year, I'm sure it'll be lovely. Little footstool at the end. Nice bit of artwork above the bed, and I like the lighting. Again, tons of connectivity either side. You've got your plugs, and you've got your controls for the shears and things. You've then got some storage in the bedside tables. Moving around here, you have your minibar area. I've not even checked these cupboards, but I'm guessing that's your minibar. Yep. There we go. And the other side, I'm hoping we have a little fridge for our own stuff. We do, a little pull-out fridge. And there's your little bar set up with your stirrers, tumblers, etc. Okay. Then you have your ice bucket, glasses, all on the nice little Fontainebleau tray. Tons of storage, so tons of drawers, 6 huge drawers, which I'm assuming are all storage along there. And above you have the mirrored backdrop with like the model effect, and a nice big TV on there, like a 56-inch TV. Got the nice lamp over here. Then you have this lovely kind of relaxing area over here. So you've got the chaise lounge, you've got a nice chair, a couple of tables, and a nice lamp with the AC controls. And then we have the view, which obviously looks out over the pool area, which looks absolutely lovely. I'll have to check it out. And then it is a strip view room. So you have got great look over, so you've got the sphere, you can see the high roller, encore, a little bit of the wind, see the strip itself, so over to Resort World, further up to Treasure Island, and off at the distance there you can see the construction on the new Hard Rock, formerly the Mirage, which I still miss. And then looking over Circus, and a great view of the mountains. Okay, going back round. Lovely little writing pad here on this side. That pen will be coming home like the last one did. I'll give that to my dad, he's still using that at the moment, he loves it. Okay, you've got your cupboard for storage. Okay. Be spacious. Plenty of hangers. Luggage rack. You've got this kind of leatherette board with the shoehorn, slippers. You've got your robe. If anything like the other hotels, there's probably a robe on the back of the door in the bathroom as well. You have your safe, nice big safe, big enough for like a laptop and stuff. You've got your steamer up the top for your clothes. And then lastly, we'll bring you around into the bathroom. So the bathroom looks very similar to the one in the strip that I was in last time, if not identical. So you've got the toilet area with a nice bit of artwork on the wall. And this one actually has a door. So in this suite that I was in last time, there was no door. So it's amazing that this king room actually has one. Okay, it's heavy. And then you've got this nice area with twin vanities. You've got your shaving mirror, tissues, loads of bits and bobs, body lotion, etc. Underneath you've got your hairdryer, lots of towels, things like that. And then, as we come over here, let's just see if there's a robe on the back of the door. There is. There we go. And then we have this lovely big shower. We just got the two heads like the last one. Really, really nice. Really nice. So overall, this was a really good deal. So I'm here for one night. I'm here to see Duran Duran tonight at Fontainebleau. So I got this room comped. I had to get up to 4 nights comped, but I am staying down at Park MGM. So I just needed the 1 night here. It did come with 100 in free play, and it did say 50 in food and drink credit, but on the checkout, I should say, they did not have any record of that. So I'll speak to the reward desk later. It's not the end of the world that it doesn't. It's a lovely room. There's no resort fees, nothing like that. So I can't moan at all. Very happy. I'm off to explore. I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and there's more videos coming soon.